Hi, today we're going to teach you on how to change your Shopify store name and how to change your URL. Before we begin, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now let's begin. On your Shopify homepage, click on the bottom left of your screen which says Settings. And from Settings, make sure that you're in your store details, and from your store details, make sure that you're in your profile section. After that, on the right side of the screen, there is a pencil icon. That means Edit. Simply click on the button, and from there you can change your store name. Let's say we're going to change it to My Store is Beautiful. There we go. And from there you can click Save. And now you've changed your store name. And now we're going to teach you on how to change your URL name. Simply go to Domains right here. And after that, click Change to a new myshopify.com domain. Simply input your desired name for your URL and simply click Add Domain. And that's how you change your Shopify store name and how to change your URL. I hope this video helped, and thank you for watching.